Mr. Pryor.
Thank you, Judge. Judge, in this particular case, we have 4 counts and we have 2 identifiable children. The testimony, according to this prosecuting attorney, is that Mr. Daybell was married to Miss Vallow. That's doesn't provide anything. Not only doesn't it provide an overt act, it doesn't provide an agreement. Marriage is not an overt act towards a conspiracy, and marriage is not an agreement to conceal or to conspire. In addition, what they have is they have Mr. Daybell making a comment to a police officer. That is not an overt act to conspire or an agreement to conspire as well. And then what they have is they have an obscure text message that says, I burned some items in the fire pit and I buried a raccoon. Now, they can suggest whatever they want with that, but there's been no indication of any evidence that this act took place on the 9th or the 22nd or 23rd or whatever day it was. And quite honestly, Judge, they don't even come close on the concealment of Tylee. They don't even come close on the concealment of JJ. And the conspiracy, they lack the agreement. And quite honestly, Judge, if this is what the evidence is in terms of an overt act, I would submit to the court that I understand the burden in a preliminary hearing, but they aren't even close on the conspiracy in either suggestion that in either case in regards to an overt act plus an agreement. I'm respectfully asking the court to dismiss the charges. They haven't met their burden, and I don't believe they have provided any near the type of evidence that is necessary to even overcome that small threshold. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Pryor. The court is going to take a recess. I'm going to review my notes, collect my thoughts. I will make a ruling here today momentarily. It will be a few moments, few minutes, and then we'll come back in and I'll do that on the record orally. We'll be in recess until that time.